Good morning. I'm starting the video off in the DSM. Today we will be replacing the axle. As you see, my passenger pin sets right here. I think my axle ripped because that was too low, but today we're gonna replace it, and we're gonna also hire the car. I don't want to be replacing my axle all the time. Alrighty, let me get home and then let's get started. Back home, new axle. Car goes on jack stands, we go from there. Cool, now that we got the wheel off, you can see this gunk, and you can really see that rip. So that's how we're replacing it. So now what I gotta do is I can make it easy and take it off from the bottom right here, but to be honest with you, I'd rather not. So I'm gonna just take it off from this bolt, take this off, and this, and then this, and that should do it. I think I might have to also do this. I'm not sure though, but I'll let you guys know. Try to take those bolts off, axle comes out. Oh, and also this nut. This is the important nut. So yeah. Axle was pretty much ready to come out. If you do have a second jack, I do recommend it. Just so when you're taking out the bolt from here, you kind of level it out and just easily take it out. Plus, once you take that one out, you're gonna have no support right there, so keep it right there. And then this nut right here, loosen it, smack it with the hammer somewhere right here so it comes off, and then untying it, you should be good. Get a pry bar, and then right here in between, use the pry bar and pry it out, and it should for sure come out. So fun fact, but pretty obvious fact, when you take out the axle, fluid's gonna come out. I kind of lagged it, so a good amount came out, so I'm gonna have to check the fluid level on the trans, but other than that, it's in. Everything's all put back together. Now I'm just gonna adjust the height, and then we should go on the test run after we're done. So this, I ended up loosening it up, and the reason why is how I said that I lost a good amount of trans fluid. So when I take this off, which is the fill bolt, if no fluid comes out, that means I need some, and if some comes out, then we should be good. So since I took the bolt off, nothing came out. So, yep, it needs trans fluid. Let me add that and then put it back on. Then I gotta lower the back, and yep. Shout out to my pops, he helped me out. So yeah, since I opened it, there was nothing coming out. We filled it up, it had one quart missing. So we filled it up, and right when it filled up, fluid started coming out, and that's your indicator that it's nice and full. She's back on the floor. Man. Oh, man. I did lift it up like a quarter inch, maybe a little half inch. I just need to do the rear. Oh, well, I'm already missing the lowness. Rear is hired, front's hired. Now we're gonna take it on the test drive, and I will see where we go. Probably gonna take it to an undisclosed location, and we're gonna talk there. Heading over to the undisclosed location. Kind of hard to drive with one hand, but not good. Too little cool for the boys. With that little height adjustment, honestly, I feel a difference in the way when I do pulls. Like before, since I was literally maxed out on the coilovers, I did that only because at the time when I had different rims or wheels, however you guys like to call them, they were 17s, but they were Stancy Boys type of setup, you know. So the tires were like a 215 compared to these. These are like 235s on 16s, so it's a pretty meaty setup. I mean, they're stock, so naturally they're gonna be meaty. So here's the view of the car on the sideways, and yeah, you could tell that it got lifted a little bit. It's not much of a difference, but I think it's enough for now. If I do feel that I should lift it up a little more, I will do that. But let me know what you guys think of the way it looks now. Better if it was slant, or this is a good, what's it called, a good ride height, or what do you guys prefer? A higher ride or a lower ride? Like personally for me, as I stated, I will always prefer a low ride, but hey, like these type of cars, you want to go fast in them, it's just more convenient to be at a regular ride height. And yeah, the car is really dirty, but one of these days I'll end up going to wash it. I just haven't had time, and plus it's my daily, and here in California it's been raining like in the mornings for some reason, but the weather is crazy. It's like Florida out here, but hotter or colder. I don't know. I really don't know how cold it is in Florida. Never been over there. Other than that, I think that's gonna end off today's video. I hope you guys learned something, or if you guys didn't, cool, at least you guys watched. If you guys enjoyed watching it, awesome. Please leave a comment. What do you guys want to see? I was gonna upload a video a few weeks back, but honestly I did not like how it came out, so I'm gonna do this one. I hope it comes out way better. I did just kind of do a, what's it called, it's not a DIY or anything. I was just telling you guys what I was gonna do, and if you guys understand it, by the way, just me explaining it, awesome. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.